I'm going to explain the difference between selection and insertion sorts. Selection sorts work based off of what the program believes is the lowest number in the array, and it marks that number, which it always starts with the first, and it always starts searching for one that's lower. When it finds it, it marks it and continues the search for one lower than that. If it can't find it, such as here, it then switches the two numbers in place and assumes that the next number in the array is the lowest. It then searches for a lower one, finds it, continues searching, and replaces the two numbers. Now 3 is the lowest again. It starts searching, but it can't find a lower one. So now 5 is considered the lowest. It searches and finds a lower one and replaces the two, until eventually all the numbers line up in ascending order. An insertion sort works by comparing numbers to numbers it already knows. For example, it starts by looking at 3 and then looks at 2. The program decides whether or not 2 is greater than 3, and since 2 is not, 2 is then moved from its original position to in front of the selected number. The program then moves on to 1. It decides that 1 is lower than 3, checks the next number, and decides it's lower than 2. This would continue until the end of the array, and all numbers are in ascending order.